This is a Photoshop tutorial for importing a batch of images to layers using the script load files to stack, and from there we will turn these layers into an animation and also use the option to turn the layers into a smart object so that we may create a blended stack. First, you can notice I've created on my desktop a folder named Burbs with a bunch of screenshots from this block of my hometown in Wethersfield, Connecticut. I will go to Photoshop and I will choose File, Scripts, Load Files into Stack. I will browse, find my images, and select them all. You can use Command A or Control A on Windows. With them all selected, we just say OK. It will take some time and all the images will load as layers. With all the layers loaded, I can make adjustments by selecting different layers and using Free Transform to make adjustments so they're about the same size. So I'm going to choose Edit, Transform, Free Transform, which is basically Command T. I can do a resize. This is quite big, so we'll just do this. And if I want, I could do a whole bunch more. I'm not going to do them all, but instead I'm going to use the crop tool to crop the canvas so we basically fit all of the images in size. Right? With all the layers now available, I'm going to make a frame animation with the timeline visible. Timelines should be checked. You'll see the timeline at the bottom. I'm going to choose to create a frame animation. With all the frame, with the animation now started with the first frame created, I can choose Make Frames from Layers. There's now 23 layers. I can hit play and all the images will zoom through. I can still see I need a little more cropping to do, so I'm going to do that. I can adjust the time of all of them by selecting them all by shift clicking the first and last elements and then changing the time, so to say 0.2 seconds. And with this I can say File, Export, Save for Web, and I will be able to make a GIF from this. I'm going to resize it to 800 by about 800. So the GIF goes from about 24 megabytes to down to 7. Let's make this even smaller. Let's say 600. And I will save. We'll say Burbs. And I can now open that image. And if I want, I can work with a faster time. I think I prefer the faster time and see the faster version. I'm going to do a number of undos to have all the layers now again visible, so that I used Control Z or Command Z a number of times. So now all layers are again visible. We'll notice some edges are still missing, so I'm going to crop again. This time we're going to select all layers by shift selecting, and we're going to convert this to a smart object. I can now work under the layer menu to select Smart Objects, Stack Mode, Mean, and create a blended average image. Or I can select Layer, Smart Objects, Stack Mode, Medium, which I think I prefer, to create my blended suburban house. And this I will also export, and we'll export as, we'll say a JPEG. And that is it.